Hello, my name is Felix and I welcome us to this class. Today I'll be teaching us the dynamic support and resistance zone. The dynamic support and resistance, is that okay? Now in the dynamic support and resistance, when the market is going on a downtrend, we draw the line, we draw the horizontal line, which is called the resistance line. That is if the market is in a downtrend. When the market is in an uptrend, if it is in an uptrend, we draw the support line below it. We draw the support line under it. While if it is in a downtrend, we draw the line above it. We draw the resistance line, and that is over the candles, above the candles. Now the best way to connect your dynamic support and resistance line, you make sure that two candles tip touches the line. Two candles tip touches the line like this. So this point is showing that this is the zone. This where I just cycled is the zone. At this zone, market hits the resistance and then it came down. You see, so the resistance is the highest zone where which price hits and then it came down. That is for the downtrend. Now for us to draw the dynamic support and resistance line, we need a particular tool called the trend line. So you just click on the center of your MT5 or MT4, click on this icon, you see this trend line. So you just select this trend line. Once you click on it, will appear on the interface. You drag it downwards to the point where you want to draw your support or your that is your trend line. You just draw it. Now I just drawn mine here. So when price hits this trend line as it is coming, as it hits this resistance zone, it went down as the resistance, it tests the resistance again and continue going downward. Remember, while it is testing this resistance, there is a support at the below it. It hits the support, it goes up, hits the resistance, it went down again. By coming down, it breaks the resistance at this point, and then it retested the support, which is now that zone. It comes down. As it's coming down, it breaks another support, and then it goes down. Then it went up again, hits that particular, as you can see, that particular support is there's the resistance zone. So here it crosses the support zone, it changes the support to resistance, it rises up, hits the resistance, push it down again, it broke this support down, and then it goes up. That's it retested the support that it break and changes into a resistance, and then it came down. Now while it is coming down, it break as a support at this particular level, it went up, touched the resistance, and then it came down. So this is how it moves in the downtrend. Now in an uptrend, almost the same thing. Now in this, you just draw your line below the candles. You draw it below the candles. You just draw it below the candles. That is our dynamic support lines. So at this point here, this is the support. It touches the support as it moves up and down. So this is how it is. So now we use our trend line. Just click on it. So we delete the previous one, just delete it, and then we now go back and then we add another trend line. So you just drag it, here. So you just drag it below your candles. So here at this point, this is our zone, which is our our support and resistance zone. So this zone here, it serves as our support right now. So just like we saw in the downtrend, yeah, once it is moving upward, it broke a resistance level here. It broke this level, and then it retested it again, and then it make it to become a support, and then it moves upward. Don't forget there is a level here, so it broke this level, and then that is the resistance level. When it broke it, it retested the resistance, which declares to support, and it moves upward. Now while it is going upward at this point again, from this point, while it is going up from this point, it reached a particular resistance. It break the resistance, and then it changes into a support level, and then it pushes it upward. And then once it's moving up, there's another resistance level here. It broke it, and then retested it, changes it to support, and then it went back up. As it's going up, it crossed another resistance, changes to a support, and then it moves upward. So as it is now, it is actually best for you to if you are buying, you look for the previous resistance, look at the previous resistance, then you place your buy. Once you place your buy, then that is how you are going to make a lot of profit. At previous resistance here, as it broke it, so before it goes up, so you just place your buy here, and then you see it's going to buy for long. So you just, from the previous resistance here, also here, from here you just place your buy, and then you see as you place it here, so you see, if you can look at it, it actually buy for long. So it's good that you place your buy or your sell at previous resistance. So for the downtrend also, it's best for us to buy at previous resistance. When price comes into this level, it breaks it here, and then it breaks the support, changes to resistance, and it push down. So it's best for us to sell at this point. You just place your sell, because you look at it, it actually broke the support there. So you see, so if you place this daily time frame, so which means you place your sell at this point that I just circled, so it's going to give you a massive profit. Is that okay? I hope this is well explained. If you have any question, don't forget to ask.